Unraveling, Mistakes Were Made, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unpack a very interesting phrase that you might have come across in English conversations, movies, or even in formal speeches. Mistakes were made. It's a phrase that sounds straightforward but carries a lot of nuance and implications. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its literal meaning, but also its context, usage, and why it's so popular. So, let's get started. At its core, mistakes were made is a statement of acknowledgement that something went wrong. However, it's structured in the passive voice, which means it doesn't specify who made the mistakes. This is the first clue to understanding why this phrase is so widely used and also criticized. It's a way of admitting fault without directly taking responsibility. This phrase is particularly famous, or infamous, in politics, corporate communications, and other areas where accountability is crucial. Because it doesn't specify who is responsible for the mistakes, it's often perceived as a way of evading direct responsibility. It's a diplomatic way to say that errors occurred, but without pointing fingers at anyone specific, not even oneself. The ambiguity of "mistakes were made" has made it a subject of controversy. Critics argue that it's a non-apology apology, a way to appease those demanding accountability without actually admitting personal fault. Supporters might argue it's a way to acknowledge issues while avoiding unnecessary blame and maintaining a level of professionalism or unity. To understand how "mistakes were made" is used in real life, let's look at some examples. A political leader addressing a policy failure might say, "Mistakes were made," to acknowledge the problem without directly implicating any particular person or department. In a corporate apology letter regarding a product recall, a company might use the phrase to express regret over the oversight while avoiding legal implications of admitting direct fault. For those looking to communicate more directly and take responsibility, consider alternatives like, "I made a mistake," or "We made a mistake." These phrases are straightforward and leave no doubt as to who is taking responsibility. "I take full responsibility for the errors that occurred." This is a strong, clear statement that does not shy away from ownership of the mistakes. "Mistakes were made" is a phrase rich in meaning, context, and controversy. Understanding its nuances not only helps in comprehending English better but also in appreciating the complexities of communication and responsibility. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and will assist you in your journey of mastering the English language. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new dimension of understanding and expression. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.